Hiya, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rosie Henshaw. If you're new here, then welcome. It's lovely to meet you. And if you're already existing, guys, then thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. Grab yourselves a nice cup of tea and some snacks. Mine is a water in my mum loves donuts, and she's wise and kind, which the donuts part is true. But I'm just having a water because I have just had a little cup of tea, a sneaky little quick one, while trying to get Albert ready for his little walk. Gary's off today, so I'm very lucky I've got Gary at home with me. But Gary's took the baby down for a walk down the seafront. It is very windy and it is very rainy, but obviously he'll have his little rain covers on. And I thought I'd film this with you guys. So just a water for me, but today's video is a Homebargains haul. So it's like to start the year off, the Homebargains haul. And there's lots and lots of Easter, Valentines, Mother's Day gifts in there. I know it's a bit early. I'm kind of the one that sort of moans that there's Easter eggs in just as the Christmas sales hit. It is annoying. But I just find that if you don't buy it when it's in, then you don't get it. So I'm going to start off with the most amazing little plate. I picked this up. Now, had they have had 4 colours, I would have got all 4 for up my table for the children, because obviously Albert is eating now like proper foods and stuff. Obviously it is a bit dangerous for him to be having a china plate, but obviously I'd sit with him or save it for next year when he can use a china plate, because you know, they never know what they're going to bring out the year again after. So they had a pink, a blue and a yellow. They didn't have a green like they did with the jars last year, so I thought there's not much point in getting loads. I just got the pink one, and these are a bit pricey actually for Homebargains. So $4.99, not pricey in the terms of a plate, but for Homebargains I was a bit like, why is that so expensive? But it's microwave and dishwasher safe, which a lot of their other products haven't been previously in the past. I'm not sure how you'd get that in a microwave though, whether that would fit in a standard microwave. It's quite large. So I thought this would be lovely on my table. I've got like a pink gingham tablecloth that I got from Primark just before Christmas, and I thought that would look really, really nice on the table with this, with just some like little cakes and stuff on it, or Easter biscuits. So that was $4.99. If you do want a cheaper option though, they've got for $1.29. I do believe it's $1.29. Don't correct me if I'm wrong. And I do think sometimes as well, I've had people send me different prices for different things, and sometimes it's been slightly different. And another lady, she went to Homebargains, no, she went to Primark actually, she was on Instagram, and she was saying what it said on the tag and then what it said on her receipt, she got charged more. So you just got to be double checking this, but you know, don't take it for gospel. I just put my receipts somewhere and forget where I put them. So I've got this little carrot plate. Now this is just gorgeous. I think this looks way more expensive than it is. This is hand wash. Yeah, this isn't suitable for dishwasher or microwave. Maybe that's why it's cheaper, because people know they don't want to hand wash. But yet again, I just thought these are just going to look so cute on the table Easter time. They're just lovely. And this would be really nice out anywhere if you're doing like vegetables and that at Christmas, or even, you know, like just on a Sunday dinner or something. That's just really, really cute. So I got that. I also got, we're talking about Christmas. Christmas is just gone. And I'm hoping it isn't freezing my video. I've got like the football chat, group chat going through on my phone. I also thought I'd share these with you. So in Homebargains, they actually had these gorgeous Easter boxes, some lovely wooden signs, and some really nice little decor pieces. Albert's very excited, as you can hear. So I thought I'd show you all these bits as well. I thought these were a real little bargain actually. So these are 59p, and these are big packets of marshmallows. Now these are the mini baking marshmallows in the home baking range. You can have them as they are or cooked. But they come in all the little spring colours. So you've got like the little mint green, you've got the white, you've got the pink, and you've got the little pastel blue. So I actually got 4 packets of these. I thought I'd get two quid's worth. Because I always have marshmallows stored in my cupboard down here where the hot chocolates are for the kids when they want to have hot chocolate. So I thought at springtime they can have these nice little ones, and they're really cute. I might even pick the blue ones and the green ones out for Valentine's Day. I might be that pathetic and do that, but you never know. I'm a bit extra, but 59p, I thought they were really good. They're even cheaper than the white marshmallows that you can get. So I got those. Also from the baking section, I got for £1.29, I got these daisy plunger cutters. They're a set of 3. Now, if you know me, I do love doing crafts, so I thought you could even do clay with these, make like little hanging flowers for spring. But also as well, I am thinking of making a cake for Easter, like a big Easter cake, and use like the icing to make things. So I thought I could do some daisies. And I did get some pink ready rolled icing as well, actually. Can't remember how much I paid for the ready rolled icing. I know it's not expensive. I know it's no more than like 80p for it. But I got the pink Ready Roll icing. It goes off April the 24th. And they didn't have any yellow or white in my store. So I'm going to go back and have a little look, because I thought maybe pink, white and yellow daisies would look really, really cute on a little Easter cake to make. And it's ready rolled, so you haven't got to do it yourself. I like that. If I've gone through the effort of making a cake myself, the little conveniences after are just so much easier for me. So I will take a hack if I can. Now, I wanted to show you, as you know, I love a mug. I absolutely love having a cup to drink out of. And I do love my Emma Bridgewater, but they've got some really cute mugs in there, part of their Mother's Day range and Valentine's Day. They're so, so cute that I wanted to share them with you. So for £1.29, they have these ones in there. So this one's the cutest ever. So this is I Love You This Much, and it's like a little sausage dog. And it's got like little hearts that go all the way around it, and it goes all the way around, and then it comes to the end of the sausage dog. It says, I love you this much. I think that is so cute, and it's got like the little Valentine's Day tag on it. This would be really cute to pop in some little chocolates or some like hot chocolate and to give to somebody. I thought that's really, really sweet. For £1.29, I just thought that was gorgeous. I actually picked that up for my niece Lottie, because I thought, I'm going to show you the next one in a minute as well, to go with that. I got for my sister. So I thought they can have like mini-me matching ones, because she loves a big cup of tea. But I did get this one as well. I wanted to show you this one because it's the same shape as the Stanley Cath Kidston mugs. Absolutely, I've got to get one out. They're exactly the same shape as them. If I can reach on my toes. They are the exact same shape as the Stanley Cath Kidston ones. They actually look like the Cath Kidston, but they've got the same design as the Emma Bridgewater hearts pattern on it. Slightly lighter in colour, sorry, I'm washing my flask out. But so I just thought it looks like a mix between the Cath Kidston, so lovely shape, Emma Bridgewater mug. £1.29 this is. This is such a beautiful mug. And I don't know if this is for Mother's Day or Valentine's Day. And it is microwave and dishwasher safe. I just thought that was such a lovely little pretty mug. And they look like they're like hand stamped on, just so, so cute. But for £2.99, I got this one for my sister, so I'm just going to do them like little, since Halloween, I'm really not with it, little chocolates in them, just as a little Valentine's gift to say I love them very much. I know it's only meant to be for like your partner, but me and Gary don't really celebrate Valentine's, because it's Albert's birthday, not Albert's birthday. So not with it, guys, really not with it. Rushing around all morning, didn't get much sleep last night. Albert was basically breastfeeding across my chest all night. So you will have to bear with me, or just turn off and come back when I've got a bit more of a brain. So I got this one for my sister, and it says pizza of my heart, a slice of my life. And it's all based around pizza. It's got a little red handle, and I love red and pink together. I absolutely love it. How cute is that little mug? It isn't a little mug, it's a big mug, but they kind of match colour-wise, and I just thought they're really, really sweet. For £2.99 and £1.29, like it's under a £5 for them too. Such cute little gifts. And what I'm going to pop in them is just some little hot chocolates that I've got. But I got these as well. I think these were like £1, like 99p, but you get a packet of like little chocolate hearts. So you get some red ones. I've got 2 packets of red, so I'm going to mix these up. They also had like little ladybugs, like love bugs as well. And then I've got some pink hearts. I'm going to get some of these for the kids as well, because I do them like a little Valentine's hamper. Because even though it's Alfie's birthday, I do like to get them a little Valentine's card, a couple of little chocolates. I'll do a hamper for each season, but what I've done this year is I was meant to do a Christmas Eve hamper. I did actually film it. I will insert a little clip here just as proof that I did film it. So I found these on H&M, and I thought these were gorgeous. So these are red silky stripe pyjamas for them, red and white stripe. They're absolutely beautiful. But these are so classic that they can just wear these all year. So my kids, yeah, I didn't end up putting it up, and then it was just so late. I thought, do you know what? I can't bother to put it up now because it's just too late. No one's going to get inspiration from it. But the kids' Christmas Eve pyjamas were red and white stripe. So I'm repurposing those. I'm going to just wash them, put them in a little hamper. So red and white, they look perfect for Valentine's. So I can take a little photo of them all in their little Valentine's Eve themed PJs. I'm going to get them to hold this. This little love balloon I also got. No helium needed. Red love, I'll get them to hold that because I like to get them pictures of these kind of things to put away for when they're older, for embarrassment basically. No helium needed, and it's 53 centimetres tall. And they also had a gold one of these as well. I thought that was cute, I've got that as well. But also to stick in their hampers, I'm going to pop in some of these chocolates. So I will get a couple more. I'll probably get a pack of these, and a pack of the love bugs, and just mix them up. But for my sister and Lottie, I'm just going to pop them in there with some hot chocolates for them. I just thought they were really sweet. Also as well, I've got a couple of cleaning products. So, was using vinegar, but the smell of it was just making me feel really, really poorly. I was like, oh, I can't handle the smell of vinegar. So I've been resorting back to Windoline. I had half a bottle left of Windoline, and actually it's worked really well, no streaks. So when I went into Homebargains, they only had the pink one. So this is $1.99. I sort of refused to pay anything more than £1 for winter cleaner, but do you know what? Because they have been so streak free and it smells pretty, I thought I'd get that. And then I've got some of the elbow grease stuff. This is amazing, guys. This is 99p, but this I swear by on furniture, like fabric furniture or clothes and stains. Like the baby, like he eats all the food that we eat, so I'll make like a homemade curry, like vegetable curry, and he'll eat it, and he'll end up with all the spices and like, you know, like the sauce on him, and it does stain. Obviously, spray a bit of this on, leave it for a little while, then rub it in. It just gets every stain out. It's absolutely amazing and so much cheaper than using Vanish. So I swear by that. That's my mum tip. I use that on everything fabric. So I got those. And then I also got, I think this was £2, just under £2. I'm sure it was like £1.59, something like that. You know, they're random prices they have. I got this for my mum. It's a little ceramic heart, and this is to put away for Mother's Day. You know, it's just something that I can pop in her card. Do you know what I mean? It's really cute. Or just hang on to her flowers when I get some flowers. So it says, forever my mum and always my friend, and it's really lovely. And it's this little ceramic heart. It's so pretty, and I thought that was really reasonable for the price. You can pop that on like a little bunch of flowers. I did do a flower box for Valentine's Day where I showed you how to do an artificial version or a realistic version using a hat box, and they look really expensive and beautiful, but you can just use like supermarket flowers to do that. I will link that video in the description below, because something like that would be really cute with this hanging around. Maybe tie a new ribbon and tie this around the actual hat box would be a really lovely little gift for Valentine's Day or Mother's Day. So I thought that was really nice as well. And then I showed you the mug, I haven't I? And then I've got a paintbrush for 99p because I need to touch up a few little bits. You can see on my hood cover, I've got a few of the little like knots coming through. Even though we did use knotting solution, the knots have still come through. So I have gone and got myself some of that Zinsta stain blocker. So I'm just gonna get going with my painting. And then lastly, I picked up some, let's stop saying picked up, I need to get some new words. Picked up. Have a little drop of drink. Some of my mini eggs. So I, last year, could not get mini eggs anywhere. Now, they do, this is a little tip, I'm sharing it with you. I probably shouldn't share it with you because I won't be able to get them myself. So, mini eggs are really expensive, and actually they work out ridiculously expensive for what I want them for. So, I like to make the kids, sorry. I just bang in the back, go into cupboards, into drawers to show you what I mean. I've got to get my little jar out. So Homebargains do a pack of 3 little egg jars, and I got them for my friend last year. I did show them in a video. But I've got this large bunny jar. So it's a large glass jar that looks like an egg with bunny ears. Now, I wanted to fill this up with mini eggs. Now, mini eggs are really hard to get hold of at Easter time, and they're really expensive. So these are £3.29 for a packet of these. And you get 296 grams, which I think is absolutely ridiculous. I do like mini eggs, and I do like to have some for over Easter because I just love indulging. So I've got 3 packets, but this by no means is actually going to fill this up. For this packet, I was actually thinking of putting into like little, making little sweet cones for the kids for their Easter bags, for the Easter hunt. So I'm going to use 2 in there. I thought I don't really want to spend more than £10 to fill this jar because that just seems a bit excessive. Even that is quite a lot. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to, if you go to them places where they sell like, not Candy King because that's so expensive, but places like Wilko or The Range, they sell the stations like where you can sell and pick your own sweet, like not sell your own sweet, it's not a market store, it's not eBay, but you can buy sweets in there and you get these giant cups. Now the giant cups in my local Wilko are £2.50. So you can get so much for £2.50, and they do like mini eggs, but they're not mini eggs. They're like a smaller version of them. So I'm gonna fill up a cup, I think, and pop them in there. And then also, I thought I'd mention that first because that's like more likely where you're gonna get them from. But the range, when I queue up in my range, they have like little packets of sweets, and they're like from like random companies that you haven't really heard of. And they do big bags of mini eggs, again, that are much smaller, and have the lovely little look and the same taste, I imagine. And yeah, they're £1. So if you can't get hold of them, because they are really hard to get hold of in the range for some reason, unless you're really lucky and your stocks them, I think mine just sell out really quickly. I'm going to pop them in, mix them in with some of the large real mini eggs and then some of the copy mini eggs, and fill up my jar. Which I know some people might think, why? Why are you doing that? It's pathetic. It just brings me pure joy. I'm not going to lie. Like, I love eating and I like things that look nice. If you put that together, my mind is blown, and this is the same situation. I dare say I probably could just pop these really beautiful coloured marshmallows in here and it'd look really, really lovely. Or with a free set of glass ones, you could probably do hot chocolate in one, marshmallows in the other, maybe some sweet treats to go on top of a hot chocolate to have a little hot chocolate Easter stand. But I like mine in the corner. That my friend got me some really beautiful flowers, but usually this will go in the corner and I'll have all my mini eggs in it, and it just makes me very, very happy. I did try last year with the full-size chocolate eggs, the shallow ones that you get for the egg hunt in Aldi, and it just didn't bring me that much joy. I want the pastel little spotted eggs in there. That's what I want. So this has been my little home bargains haul. It's not so little, but very unnecessary stuff that I didn't need to get. I thought I'd show you. I haven't had the full selection come in yet. I did have a little look in B&M as well, because one of my friends gave me a heads up. They had the most beautiful little mugs in there and some little trinkets, but when I went in there, they still hadn't packed away Christmas, which is probably how it should be. So I will head back there and have a little look. So I thought it was going to be a bit of a bigger haul, but this is what I found in my stores at the moment. So hopefully you've enjoyed this. Hopefully it's a lovely new year for you guys. Take care. I've been Rosie Henshaw. See you later. Bye.